If this lady had an attorney with her, he'd be screaming with a bullhorn. Stop talking.
Now before the court is Dawn Patterson of case 161098UN. Ms. Patterson is here today after failing to appear before this court on April 5th, 2023. Bond is currently set at $11,905. This is the sixth bench warrant. She reports that she is employed at Denso. However, a friend of the court has already contacted that employer and they tell us that she's not employed there. Last payment made on this account was in September of 2022. For the record, that was a $500 bond forfeiture. Front of the court recommends that a reasonable bond be set in this matter and it be scheduled for hearing on November 1st, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Thank you. Ms. Patterson, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. The purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on November 1, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond?
Your Honor, I just got out of jail like a week ago. I had to come to court for this right here in December. So how did I miss court, sir? I just got released. So how did I miss court? I had to go to court for this same thing we're doing right now in December. So I did not miss court again for this. They just let me out.
Okay. Well, the last hearing was in April, so it wasn't just recent.
But I got out. I just went to court. I mean, I just got out of jail a week ago. And they set a court for this in December.
Ma'am, that doesn't tell me anything. Just
I didn't miss court. That's what I'm saying, sir.
Okay, just stop and listen, okay? Try to listen and maybe you'll understand something. You're getting out of jail just recently doesn't tell me anything. It only tells me something if you said I've been incarcerated for the last year, but telling me you just got out a couple of weeks ago doesn't tell me. You could have been in jail for 2 weeks. You could have been in jail for a month.
Okay, I understand that, but they set a court date for December for this. And so I have not missed court again for this, is what I'm saying.
Well,
I have a court in December for this.
The date.
And I haven't missed it.
Okay, I guess you just don't like to listen or something.
No, I'm just saying I have court in December for this. So how did I miss court is what I'm trying to understand.
And he said the date that you missed court was on April 5th, 2023, not December coming up last April.
No, but I had to go to court in December is what I'm saying. He already set another court date for December.
Well, we set another one for you for November 1 is what we set.
Okay, so I was supposed to go to court in December for this too, though. And I didn't miss that court date, so I don't understand why I got to do another one.
That could be a different hearing. It
was for child support, back pay child support.
Okay. Ma'am, there are all sorts of hearings about child support. It doesn't mean that that's an enforcement hearing. You could have a hearing on a petition to modify support. You could have a petition for something to terminate support.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
The hearing we're going on November 1st is an enforcement hearing.
Well, how come they would just let me out? Why would they let me out then? I don't understand that. And then set a court for this. So I didn't know.
The jail made a mistake and you've been made aware of that.
Okay.
Oh, well, I didn't know that. I didn't know. And I just lost my job like a couple days ago. So I didn't know.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be going to Highlights when I get out of here.
It is your sixth bench warrant and you have a sizable arrearage in this particular matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set your bond in the amount of $1,000. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have no $1,000.
Okay, thank you.
Is that like 10%? Can I pay $100 to get out?
No, $1,000 cash bond, and we'll see you in November. Thank you. You're excused.
Whatever. Shit.
You want to bring her back in for anything?
No.